just blew up. I heard the cows bawling first, and all of a sudden the wind just blew up and the snow hitting. I didn't know. I just let the chickens out. Oops. Yeah, they're all coming in. It's funny how the camera cuts out the storm. If you zoom in, yeah, that's what it looks like with my naked eye. Just like that. Just snowing. There was a storm warning out. It was more for Alberta. Yeah, it's pretty chill, all covered in snow. What the heck? But it's like, yeah, maybe got a storm here, but yeah, maybe it's storm pretty good here. I hope not. It's too early.